Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are back out on the cabin right here. We're helping Chris, and this time we're actually gonna start working on the roof. As you can see, he's already got a little footwall kicked up here on the second floor. So I'm gonna take you inside the cabin and show you what he's gotten done since the last time we were here. So let's get to it. All right, so right now Chris has these little 4-foot knee walls right here put in place. He's got the entire second floor sheathed out right now. We might make the stairs to the second floor right on this area, but we're not exactly sure. So what the plan is right now is we're gonna put a board, a ridge beam right down the center here, shooting this way, probably up 7 or 8 feet tall here. Then the roof's gonna go from here down to there, and from here down to the back over there. So the back of the roof will be a lot steeper than the front of the roof, but that'll give us all this area here, all this area right here as a lot more living space. Over here, the living room's probably gonna be, and another bedroom over here. So we're still on the fence with the layout of inside, but right now the whole focus of this video is to start getting the roof framed in, because we really want to be able to get the tarp over this thing nicely without wrecking the boards or anything. So it's nice and sturdy up here. And the one thing we haven't talked about is we're deep in the heart of an undisclosed location in Florida here. And right now it's July and it is so hot and sweaty. You can just see, I'm just sweating my ass off, soaking wet out here. So that slows us down a lot with the heat and humidity out here. But today's goal is to get the roof, started to get the roof framed in, at least get this section up here framed in. And we'll be in really good shape. So right now he's got the whole upstairs framed in. We've got 16 footers running the entire width here, 2x6s, braced with some walls. Over here where Pam is, this is going to be a bathroom, and she's chilling out with the AC unit running off the generator right there. So this is going to be a bathroom in here. We're still on the fence where we're going to put the stairs. If we put the stairs here going up to the second floor right here, this will be a perfect little stairway, and then this will be another bedroom over here. But if we knock this wall out right here, that'll make this bedroom and this side really big, and we could possibly do the stairs over here, up this wall here, up the side wall here, and then up to the second floor. So that's an option too. All right, everyone, as you can see, we got the roof halfway done anyway. We got the front of the cabin roof all framed in right here behind me, all nice and neat. Now we're gonna rush to get the tarp put on because the storm looks like it is brewing behind us over here. So we're gonna get the tarp put on and we're gonna get out of here. So hopefully in the next video, we actually finish off the rest of the roof here on the steeper slope of the cabin here. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, smash that big red subscribe button, smash that notification icon down below so you know when I do post future videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.